Y'all, these are so good. I've been taking them from my son, but he don't even like them for real. But, anyway. Hey Naked family, thank you for tuning into my channel. Welcome to the girls room. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the dark aesthetic reels. I had a hard time finding this for myself, so I want to share it. So this is really good for marketing your Instagram for your reels, setting the tone. When your audience comes to your page, you want them to feel classy, you want them to feel a vibe, you want them to feel like just a vibe when they come to your page. And I'm starting to really like it. So I didn't start the vlogs yet, but I'm going to. But I wanted to also put you guys on how to do it. So here we go. A lot of people don't be trying to put us on because it's like when something is like gonna make you great, they be like holding it sacred, and it's like, why? Like, I want us to all win together. So I'm gonna screen record this for y'all so we can go ahead and get started. I'm gonna actually record my wall. So I'm gonna try to see. Let me record it. Alright, I'm gonna go to video. And y'all, we have these iPhones and don't even know how to work them. We pay so much money for it. So anyway, video, focus on it, bring that light down. Just drag it down. That's all you gotta do. Bring it up. How bright you want it, just how dark you want it. So I'm gonna do it to my liking. I'm gonna do this. I'll keep that. Record. I'm gonna do 5 seconds. Alright, not the feed. Let's go. Let's get to it. Now I'm gonna go to Inshot. Inshot is an app that I use for my for editing my videos. Inshot is like $4 a month. So now I'm going to go to that video that we just did. I'm gonna go to new. I'm gonna click on the video. Alright, so when you first open InShot, just know that it's gonna have like blur on the side. You can take that out, and the way you do that is go into Canva, go to background, and just take it out. Oops, go back. So yeah, it'll look like this or something like that. All you gotta do is just click on that X, take that out, click on that check mark, and then you're gonna go to PIP. Once you go to PIP, oh sorry, I skipped a step. So then you're gonna go to Canva, right? Alright, let's go back. I'm gonna show y'all the little luxury designs. You have to figure out what audience you're trying to attract, y'all. Because if y'all trying to attract a certain audience, a luxury audience, they like to see these type of things, and that's the kind of audience that I'm looking for. That's my audience. Like a little luxury girl who likes to spend money, eat healthy, go to the gym. You have to find out your target audience. So my target is like real luxury girls who just loves to eat healthy, drink, hang out with their girls. You know, kind of like me. So these are like the luxury words that I like, brown sugar being the best. So I'll put y'all on with those luxury words. And then we're going to that. Let me change the font. I already did this already, y'all. So I had it in black, but I'm going to change it to white because it's a dark aesthetic. You want your audience to be able to read that. Then you're going to click on the upper right hand corner, click on downvote. Make sure you're checking transparent background because that defeats the purpose. You don't want to have a video and then you have that white square over your video. Doesn't make no sense. Save the image, go back to InShot. Click on the photo. Yeah, go back to InShot. Then you're going to go to You're going to go to PIP. Click on the photo. Alright, and then here we have it. Then we're going to click on that check mark. Then we're going to save the upper right hand corner. And then we're going to go to our videos. And here we are. Alright. So there you go. The life of me, I could not find out how to work, like how to do this. I was watching so many people's reels and I'm like, oh my God. Like, it looks so good, but how are they doing this? What fonts are they using? So I put y'all on in this together. We all trying to win. So that's how you do it. I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay? Bye, y'all.